Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. Today we discuss about what is work done, what is the formula for the work done, its SI unit, CGS unit, and here we discuss also some question relating about work done. So start this topic, what is work done? In our daily life, while you are watching television, reading your books or stories, using your mobile phone also, you say lot of work is done, but according to physics there is no work done, zero work done. According to physics, work is only done when a force acts on a body and moves it in the direction of force. Work is only done, work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Work is only done when a force acts on a body and moves it in the direction of force. Now we discuss its SI unit, CGS unit. SI unit, we have force have unit Newton and displacement have unit meter. It becomes Newton's meter. It becomes Newton meter, which is equal to joule. Now we discuss CGS, centimeter gram second unit. CGS unit of force have unit dyne, displacement have unit centimeter. Force have unit dyne, displacement have unit centimeter, which become dyne centimeter. Which become dyne centimeter, which is equal to erg. We go to remember these formulas like Newton meter is equal to joule and dyne centimeter, which is equal to erg. Now we discuss what is the relation between joule and erg. What is the relation between joules and erg? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton multiplied by 1 meter. We discussed earlier Newton meter is equal to joule. Newton meter is equal to joule. 1 joule is equal to Newton multiplied by meter. 1 Newton which have value 10 to the power 5 dyne. We go to remember 1 Newton have value 10 to the power 5 dyne and 1 meter have value 100 centimeter. 2 and 5, 7, 10 to the power 7. Dyne centimeter. Dyne multiplied by centimeter, dyne centimeter. We discussed earlier dyne centimeter, which is equal to erg. Hence 10 to the power 7 erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. This is the relation between joule and erg. Here we have some questions relating about work done. We know the formula for the work done. W for the work done is equal to force, which is denoted by F, and displacement, which is denoted by S. F cross S, which is equal to work done. First question is that when a force act on object is 10 Newton force and it's displace it 2 meters, what is the work done? Here we put values for the force 10 newtons and displacement, which is equal to 2 meter and which become 20 Newton meter. 20 Newton meter. And what is Newton meter? What is Newton meter? We discussed earlier. Newton meter is equal to joule. 20 joule. And hence work done is 20 joule. Now we discuss our second question. What is the work done when earth revolving around sun in a round trip? In a round trip. When earth rotating about sun in a round trip, what is work done? What is work done? Note here, in a round trip while Earth revolve completely. What is displacement? What is displacement? Displacement is that shortest distance between its initial position to final position. Its initial position to final position. We note that its initial and final position is same, hence no distance between initial and final position, and hence displacement is equal to 0. Earth revolving around sun in a round trip have displacement 0. And we have formula for the work done, F cross S. S displacement is equal to 0 and hence its work done is equal to 0. Work done is equal to 0. So when you go to school on your bicycle and return back to your home, what is the work done? What is the work done? Here also displacement is equal to 0 because you go back to your original position. Go back to your original position and hence displacement is equal to 0 and hence work done is equal to 0. But it is not proper explanation about work done. We discuss and we learn about its proper explanation further. Yes students, now we discuss the real formula for the work. Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement multiplied by cos of theta. You must be having in your mind that I told wrong earlier. No, this is also correct. Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement, but in particular conditions. Let's suppose I apply some force in this direction and displacement takes some other direction, and then angle between force and displacement is theta. W work is equal to force into displacement into cos of this theta. Cos have some mathematical ratio. I give some value for it. Now other conditions, when force and displacement are in same direction, force and displacement are in same direction, theta is equal to 0 degree. Then we know force W is equal to F force multiplied by displacement multiplied by cos theta, and here what is theta? Theta is equal to 0 degree. Put theta is equal to 0 degree. We go to remember this. What is cos 0? Cos 0 have value 1. And hence become force into displacement. We discussed earlier, work is equal to force multiplied by displacement, but in particular condition. Which condition? When force and displacement are in same direction. And next, when force and displacement are not in same direction. When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Very important topic, very important. when force and displacement are perpendicular. What is theta? Theta is equal to 90. When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then theta is equal to 90 degree. Hence, work done W is equal to force into displacement into cos of this theta. We put the value. What is theta? 90. Cos 90. What is cos 90? What is wait? What is cos 90? We go to remember that cos 90 is equal to 0. Cos 90 have value 0, and hence work is equal to 0. When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then work done is equal to 0, because cos 90 is equal to 0. From these conditions, we can say that this formula is always correct. Always correct. This formula is also correct, but in particular condition. Here we discussed earlier, while Earth rotating about Sun, what is work done in a round trip. We discussed earlier, in a round trip when displacement is equal to 0, and hence we said work done is equal to 0 in a round trip. This is partially correct or partially wrong. Why it is wrong? We discuss. If I ask you what is work done when Earth revolving around Sun in half of trip, then what is work done? What is work done in half of trip? When Earth is going to like this position, what is work done? Here, if we discuss about force, which force? Force of attraction. Force of attraction by Sun, gravitational force in this direction, and Earth is going to like this other direction. Force and displacement on this position, force is like this direction, and Earth is going to like this direction. Force of attraction and displacement on this position, force is like this direction, and displacement is like this direction. If you notice that what is the theta between displacement and force? Theta, here theta, and here 90 degree. Here 90 degree. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. We use the real formula for it. W is equal to force force into displacement into cos of theta. Here, what is cos theta? When force and displacement are perpendicular, cos is equal to 90 degree. We go to remember cos 90 is equal to 0, and hence work done is equal to 0, and hence work done is equal to 0. We also said that at each point when Earth revolving around Sun or Moon revolving around Earth, at each point force is perpendicular to displacement and hence theta is equal to 90 degree and then work done is equal to 0 at each and every point. There are many examples when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, like when a pulley carry a load on his head like this direction, a pulley carry load on his head like this direction of force, this and this displacement like pulley carries a load on his head in this direction. Force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction. Then what is theta between them? 90 degree. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Theta is equal to 90 degree and hence work done is equal to 0. There are many examples in our daily life when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other and hence their work done is equal to 0.